Creative Art Therapy Counseling Program at Hofstra has a rich history. It was founded in 1976. I've had its educational approval since 1984. We became fully accredited and we have good oversight. We always are looking at our programs. We're always looking to update and stay on top of the trend. Our programs has a very diverse population that comes from not only the United States but around the world. All our faculty are actively working in the profession and come from different theoretical approaches and different populations. So you really come in and you get a good, well-rounded opportunity to explore how you want to become an art therapist, what your identity is going to be.
The internships are really important for the students' education and being able to get out there in the field. I'm currently getting experience with pre-adolescents, adolescents, and adult inpatient psychiatric, as well as a partial program. There's a lot of things that you can study and read, but once you get that hands-on experience, it's completely different.
The Creative Art Therapy Counseling and alumni are really a key component in helping our students to become employed after graduation. We will give the students all the tools. We'll teach them the theoretical approaches, the media, how to address and how to run groups and do individual sessions and all of that. And then we help them to define themselves into their own identity as a creative art therapy counselor.